Congratulations, you just got your Sleeky India skin. Please note, this tutorial can be used as a guide to apply any audio device skins from Sleeky India. Make sure to clean your device thoroughly with damp cloth included in the kit. Let's start by applying the topmost case part. Carefully remove the skin from the backing paper and start by applying the skin to the back part by aligning the edges and then carefully spread the skin all over the surface, like shown in the video. If you fail to align the skin properly in the first time, carefully peel it back and realign it. Use the cloth and press the skin after heating the skin with hairdryer to smooth the bumps and wrinkles. Repeat the same process to align every part carefully. Let's assume that the top part is applied perfectly. Now let's move on to side parts. Again, carefully remove the skin and align the charging port and place the skin. Use the hairdryer and cloth as shown, to heat up and stick the skin properly by removing bubbles and wrinkles. Remove another part and align it by placing and matching the light indicator hole carefully. Again, follow the same steps. Apply the skin carefully as before. Now, let's apply the bottom part of the skin. Remove the skin and carefully align it with the bottom part and place it. Heat it with hairdryer to apply it firmly. Till now, we have successfully applied the skin on the case. Let's start by applying the skin on the buds. First of all, it's important to clean the buds with the Sleeky cloth. Now carefully remove the skin from the backing paper, and align it with the sensor hole and place the skin. Again, use hairdryer to stick the skin firmly. Follow the same steps for the second bud. Now let's apply the another part of the buds. Align the skin according to the shape and use hairdryer to paste it firmly. Please note, it is completely normal to get some wrinkles in the corners of the buds. That's all, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.